If you want to kiss someone, get the go-ahead first by flirting with them and seeing if they flirt back, or asking directly if you can kiss them. Then, lean in closer to them and tilt your head a little to avoid bumping noses. Close your eyes, open your mouth slightly, and let your lips connect naturally. Don't press too hard with your lips at first. If your first kiss goes well, put your partner's lower lip between your lips so your lips fit together. Then, lightly run your tongue over your partner's lower lip. If they seem into it, try gently moving your tongue into your partner's mouth. Go slow and don't rush things. Remember to breathe through your nose as you're kissing so you don't run out of breath. Kissing can feel a little awkward at first, but it will get better the more you practice. If you know you're going to be kissing someone, put on some chapstick and suck on a mint beforehand so your lips and breath are good to go.